Uh-oh.
Here we go.
It's gonna explode.
We're microwaving a marshmallow. Oh. Let's add a minute to that sucker. Okay. That is just enjoyable.
It's like a little friend.
Well,
It's our mutant mushroom. It's huge. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good.
sounds perfect. Just how I like it. What a fat marshmallow.
It's on steroids.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's popping.
It's coming.
Uh-huh. What if it catches on fire?
Oh, then I'd press stop really quick.
Get ready.
Okay. That'd be sweet if it
Do we have a fire
combusted.
extinguisher? Beeping out everywhere. Do we have a fire extinguisher?
Are you nervous? Just get a cup of water.
I never left it in the phone.
What's the smell?
Is it burning?
I smell fish.
Oh, we have to add a minute quick here. Because it's not big enough.
Oh, it's burning.
It's burning?
I smell something.
Yeah.
We'll let it...
Take it out.
Okay, okay. How'd it do? Here, little marshmallow. Ooh, hot, hot, hot plate. Ooh, ow, ow.
Ew.
Yummy. It's got a little golden brown at the top.
Are your plates microwavable?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew.
Ew. Gut.
This is a good science experiment, guys.
Oh, it's burnt.
Ew.
That's weird smelling.
There you go.
Ew.
It's gonna drip.
That's nasty.
It's caramelized.
Oh yeah, we made caramel.
What does that look like? Ew.
This is great. Okay. This is some,
I don't want you to touch it.
this is some good footage, guys. Crystal, tell me what you think. Let's check that out. That's cute.
Oh my gosh. Ew, it's crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Knock knock.
Ooh, I heard a crack.
You're gonna get cancer if you eat that.
Oh, stop. Eat it, eat it, eat it. I dare you to eat it.
Ew.
I'm gonna put this chunk in my mouth.
This is hard as a rock.
Ooh, that's like just pure sugar, guys. Yum. Here I go. Ugh.
Well,
It's delicious. Okay, well, bye. Are you gonna eat a piece?
I don't know.
Do it. I just did. Do it. Get it.
Scared.
Just a little baby piece.
Okay.
Yum. Yum. Not so bad.
Delicious.